If you are looking for the best handheld sewing machine,
here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1. Most popular, Singer 01663 Stitch Sew. Singer's reputation precedes the brand, and this handheld machine is certainly a favorite of many. It's battery operated and comes with all the sewing equipment you need. Plus, in true Singer style, it's easy to use. Although slightly pricier than some of the other options, this is probably the one to go for if you're new to handheld sewing machines for ease of use. The Singer Stitch Sew Quick is compact and portable, perfect for small, quick, and easy repairs to everyday household items, from bedding to curtains. Number 2. MICHLEY LSS 202 Sewing Machine. LSS 202 Lil Sew & Sew Mini 2-Speed Sewing Machine is a wonderful piece of engineering which allows you to sew all the basic techniques without being as messy and big as a regular sewing machine. It is so compact in size that one can carry the machine to their desired place by tucking them under their shoulders. Also, the weight allows you to use the machine while it is kept on your lap. Therefore, it makes a great choice for new seamstresses and children to get acquainted with the art of sewing. Number 3. As seen on TV handheld sewing machine. I've had great difficulty with this product. I used it once, then it stopped stitching, even though it was still running. In reading other remarks, I found that it continually happens. I attempted to reconnect the thread inside the mechanism, but was never able to put it back together. The other remarks indicated this continues to happen. It is an inferior product. Threading needles is always going to be difficult no matter what, but if this could have been designed more like a stapler that opens up wide, Number 4. Singer Stitch Sew. It is a 2-thread repairing machine which is very easy to carry around. It doesn't require a cord and is very easy to maneuver when working with a straight stitch. It is a great option for someone who needs the machine for quick repairs. Speed can be controlled in 2 ways. Also, it has an automatic winding function which gives more efficiency to its users. There are several accessories that come along with the machine that attracts the seamstresses towards it. Number 5. TooFu Handheld Sewing Machine. This portable machine can fit into the palm of your hand, allowing great control, precision, and easy operation. It is a valuable tool when you need a quick fix for simple on-the-spot repairs and adjustments. It is an ideal machine for curtain makers, interior decorators, or anyone sewing his or her own clothes, as they will greatly benefit from using this time-saving device. This electric handheld single-stitch sewing machine is so much faster and easier than a needle, saving you both time and money.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.